Hello everyone, in this lesson we're going to see how we can install Windows subsystem for Android with the Google Play Store on Windows 11. But about a month ago, about 3 months ago I think, I've made an already video about how to install Google Play Store with the Windows subsystem for Android, which is right here. Let me quickly pause this side because it's playing TCG in the background. Anyways, this video is a bit complex because of the commands that we have to type in this. So today I got an updated tutorial with the updated way, and it's a one-click process, so you don't need to type in any commands or stuff like that. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, you will need to make sure that visualization is enabled on your UEFI/BIOS. To check that, press Ctrl Shift and Escape to quickly launch the Task Manager. Mine's a bit different because I'm in the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build. Now, you'll need to click on Performance, then click on CPU right here. Then you will need to look down, make sure that the Task Manager is a little bit there, and you will need to look for something called Visualization. Make sure it's set Enable. If it is not, turn off your PC. Press the BIOS hotkey to open up your UEFI/BIOS. Then find for the visualization section and make sure it's set Enable. Once it's enabled, just simply save and quit, and you can continue the process. Another two things that we need to enable is the virtual machine in the Windows 11 PC settings. To do that, search for 10 Windows features on or off. Now, once it opens, scroll down the bottom, and if the virtual machine platform and the Windows Hypervisor platform is unchecked, make sure to check both of these and hit on OK. But if this is the first time that you are enabling this feature, it will search for recall files and folders. Then it will prompt you to reboot. Then do it because it's a required step. Once you enable the visualization on your UEFI/BIOS and also in your PC settings, hit Start, then open Settings, click on Privacy and Security, click on For Developers, then click on then you will need to toggle on the developer mode. If this toggle off, click on Yes, and you should be good to go. Once you have enabled all of the things that we have required, you will need to go to this link, which I provide in the description down below. Note that you should have a GitHub account and sign into your GitHub account because it's a really important step. Once you land on this page, click on Actions right here. Now, if this is the first time that you are navigating into Actions, it will ask you to enable the workflows, then do it. Once you're at the workflow page, click on All Workflows, then the site will load once again. Then you will need to find for something called Build WSA. Click on that. Once you click on it, it will take you to the Summary tab. We just need to scroll down to the bottom, then under the artifacts, you will find two files right here. The first one is the ARM64, and the second one is the X64. Now, if you're using a Surface laptop or Surface tablet or something like that, you will select ARM64, then download it. Or if you're just using a traditional computer, laptop or desktop, just simply select this one, and then it will start the downloading process. But for me, I've downloaded, and I'm in my downloads folder right here, so I don't need to download this again. Once you download it, you'll need to extract it, but you'll need a specific one called WinRAR. If you haven't installed the WinRAR yet, just simply open up Google or Brave search and type in WinRAR download like that. WinRAR download, and it will take you to the win-rar.com if you don't want to search or something like that. Or also leave the download link in the description down below. Once everything has been downloaded, also the hardware, right-click on the download images with the WSA zip, then click on WinRAR, then click on Extract to. It will take a while because it's a pretty large file, so yeah, just please wait and be patient. Once it's successfully extracted as a folder, open the WSA with Magisk folder. Then you will need to find a specific file called install, which is a PowerShell script file. But if you have the Windows file name extension enabled, it will set install.ps1. Anyways, it's just the same file. It just matters that you have enabled the Windows file name extensions or not. Once you find that file, simply right-click, then select Run with PowerShell. On the user control prompt, click on Yes. Now it will say the operation has been successfully completed. Down you will see some O's, and it will complete all of the O's, and you got the Windows subsystem for Android installed on your computer. Once every OS has been completed, it will ask you to press any key to exit, then do it. Or if this doesn't add for you that, simply close the PowerShell script. Then you can now search for Windows subsystem for Android manually. Sometimes the installation might fail, then do it again, which happened on this time that I'm recording the video. Simply click on yes again. The operation said it will complete successfully. Then wait for it, and then it will process again. And this time it will say press any key to exit. Now the Windows subsystem for Android will start, and check the share my diagnostic data, and then click on continue. It might run several times. So yeah, just do it again, and if this run 2 times, just simply close the first one and then simply call it second one, and then let's just continue the first one initializing process. The first initialization process might take a while, so just be patient. Okay, so the Windows subsystem for Android has been closed, and then it will start the Google Play Store. And you might be wondering, where is Magisk, where is WSA, and where is Amazon Appstore? You can simply search for Windows subsystem for Android here. You open the Windows subsystem for Android setting. Let's try open up the Files app right here by clicking on this, and boom, we have the Files app right here. You can also enable the development mode if you want. If you want to sideload Android apps, if you've done that, it will ask you for the file. Just simply click on allow access to continue the process. Now let's try open up Google Play Store by searching on that, and boom, right here I can also open up Amazon App Store. Let's open this up, but it's only available in US right now, and I also try out by using a VPN, but it does not work for that. Also, don't forget, it will have the Magisk APK installed on your computer when you install the WSA with Google Play Store. That means your Android Windows subsystem for Android is fully rooted, and you should be good to go. You don't need to fix any sign-in process or stuff like that. You can just simply sign into my Google account, which is not a problem, and that's what I'm going to do it right now. And then I can just simply sign into my account with no problems, and I can download apps like YouTube, for example. Let's open this up, let's download the app, let's try installing that, and it should work super very good, super fine. And I also tried games before, and this runs butter smooth. Alright, that is all the video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Have a nice day.